Hello and welcome. Cricket holds a respectable position around the globe when it comes to team sports. The game holds a great deal of history with regards to its invention and evolution. Test cricket is regarded as the traditional format of the game. Cricketers across the globe hold a special place for this format, as this is considered as the ultimate test of a cricketer's skill and endurance. Fans would often relate Test cricket to whites. Players step onto the field in their white outfits during a test match to flaunt their skills with the bat and ball. But with the series of reforms that the game has undergone, the Test cricket attire has remained the same since the late 19th century. The cricketing fraternities believe that the traditional whites will always be the Test cricket attire in the years to come. So let me explain more about why the Test cricket uniform is still white. Before that, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So, why cricketers wear white uniforms? Cricketers wear a white uniform due to three main reasons. Let's find out then.
Number 1. Scientific reason.
Test cricket often requires the players to stay on the field for over 8 hours a day, and the fact that it's a 5-day format makes it even more demanding. Cricket was initially introduced as a summer sport, and hence it was considered wise to use whites as the uniform due to scientific reasons as well. White reflects heat better and can be more comfortable. This reduces the stress levels of the players and also prevents them from getting sunstroke or dehydration to some extent. Therefore, a cricketer wearing a white uniform will feel a lot cooler than a cricketer wearing darker uniform, as a lot of the heat is reflected away.
Number 2. Traditional impact.
The traditional aspect of the game had a role to play too. White was considered as a symbol of royalty and elegance by the British, and since cricket is considered to be a gentleman's game, it makes sense to opt whites as the uniform for the players. Also, to instill a sense of equality among all the players, the fraternities chose white as the ideal attire.
Number 3. Cricketing comforts.
The whites serve well in logical terms as well. Test cricket is often played with a red ball, with the pink ball making its mark only recently. The idea of whites served well for the players in terms of getting a good view of the red ball in the field. The red ball is easier to locate in a white backdrop, and hence it seems logical. As well as the standard white shirt, trousers, and shoes, cricketers may also choose to wear other things such as hats, sunglasses, and cream to protect their face from the glare of the sun. A lot of these items will also be white in color, especially the sun cream. Cricket is a sport that is always looking to innovate, and 2019 saw one of the first major changes to the Test cricket uniform that has been made since the 1800s. Before the 2019 Ashes series between England and Australia, it was announced that the white shirts would feature the names and numbers of players on the back for the first time. So that's it from this video, and do join my channel for more interesting facts. Goodbye.